Good afternoon, everybody. Be safe, be responsible. Now it's time to do the question answers of your poem. Where do all the teachers go? Question number first. Why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? In the poem, what the particular child wanted to know, or what poet wanted to know in the poem about teacher. So the poet wanted to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock because this is the time when school get over. Okay, after school, what teachers do at their home? Actually, he wanted to know that particular thing. What are the things normal people do that the poet talks about? What type of things which poet talks in poem about normal people? So like what he told in the poem, normal people living in houses, washing socks, wearing pajamas, watching TV, picking their nose, living with their parents, not spelling right, being bad also sometimes, making mistakes also, getting punished, and wearing old dirty jeans. These things normal people used to do at their home. Now, what does he imagine about? He means the poet or the child. What he imagined, what he had in his mind. Okay, so where teachers live? First question arises in his mind, where teachers live. So in houses. Okay, obviously I am also a teacher and we are also living in houses. Are you getting my point? Now, what they do at home? Wash their socks, wearing pajamas, picking their nose, and watch TV. Okay, the people with whom they live with the other people, and if they also have mothers, and all the things had been imagined by the student, imagined by the poet. Okay, in the poem, their activities when they were children in school. What the poet imagined about the activities of teacher which they did in their school. They were also had mistakes, never spelled right, and were punished in the corner for pinching, actually the pinching the chocolate flakes. Now, why does the poet wonder if teacher also do the things that other people do? Why was he so wondered about it? Because he had seen them as superhumans. Actually, children treated their teacher as a superhumans. As same thinking of teachers here. They are strict, did not make any mistakes, and punish those who did. Now, how does the poet plan to find out? Well, what will he do once he find out? So what he planned for finding out his question. So the poet plans to follow one of the teacher on the way back home that day to find out what they did, and he will get his answer. Now, what do you think these phrases from the poem means? There are some phrases from the poem